Wait, did you know there's a secret Roman amphitheater hiding in plain sight in Paris where gladiators once fought? And it's completely free to visit. I'm about to show you 7 incredible hidden gems that 99% of tourists walk right past without even knowing they exist. But here's the crazy part: some of these places are so secret that even Parisians don't know about them. And trust me, your Instagram followers will think you hired a professional photographer when you visit these locations. Location 1: Arenas de Lutes. First up, that Roman amphitheater I mentioned. It's called Arenas de Lutes, and here's what blew my mind: this 2,000-year-old arena is tucked away in the Latin Quarter, completely hidden from the main tourist trail. While everyone's fighting crowds at the Colosseum in Rome, you can have your own private Roman experience right here in Paris. But wait until you see location number 3. It's a floating garden that most people think is just a regular street. The secret entrance will shock you.